Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today we are going to see how empathy is important, how it is an important characteristic of our positive personality. Some of you may wonder, what is empathy? We know sympathy, they say. No doubt, sympathy is also good. Sympathy means what? Sympathy is I understand how you feel. I understand you. That is sympathy. Empathy is I feel how you feel. I too feel. It is not I am understanding. I feel what might be your feelings. So both sympathy and empathy are important. But of the two, if you ask me, what is more important? Empathy is certainly more important. Because here I am not only understanding you, I feel what you might be feeling. That is empathy. Usually, people with empathy ask this question: how would I feel if someone treated me that way? Suppose somebody is very, very sad and he is crying, he tells you, see, I was treated in such a way, so I felt very sad, this and that. People with empathy will put themselves in that place and they will feel how the boy or how that person might be feeling. Okay, let me share a short story. Once upon a time, a boy went to a shop. That too, the shop was a shop of pets. So many puppies were kept there for sale. So he went to the store to buy a puppy. 4 of them were sitting together, priced at 500 rupees each. Then there was one sitting alone in a corner. 4 puppies were sitting together. Their price was 500 rupees, whereas one was sitting alone in a corner. The boy asked it. That was from the same litter if it was for sale. And why it was sitting alone, the boy is asking. The store owner replied that it was from the same litter. It was a deformed one and not for sale because it was deformed. It was having some physical deformity. The boy asked what the deformity was. The store owner replied that the puppy was born without a hip socket and had a leg missing. It was having only 3 legs. The boy asked, what will you do with this one? The reply was, it would be put to sleep. The boy asked if we could play with the puppy. The store owner said, sure. The boy picked the puppy up and the puppy licked him on the ear. It loved him. Instantly, immediately, the boy decided that it was the puppy he wanted to buy. The store owner said, that is not for sale. But the boy insisted, no, I want to buy that. The store owner agreed. The boy pulled out whatever 100 rupees he had in his pocket and ran to get the remaining money from his home. remaining 400 rupees because other puppies were 500 each. He was having only 100 rupees. As he reached the door, the store owner shouted after him, "I don't understand why you would pay full money for this one when you could buy a good one for the same price." So he is asking, for 500 rupees you will get the good puppy. Then instead of that, why you are buying this having some physical deformity? That too when you are paying the same amount. The boy did not say a word. He kept quiet. He just lifted his left trouser leg and he was wearing a brace. The pet store owner said, "I understand. Go ahead, take this one." This is empathy. See, this is empathy. The boy knew he too was having one artificial leg. And he understood what might be going on in the puppy which was having only 3 legs. That is why he was ready to pay full amount like the ordinary puppies and bought this. This is empathy. Now tell me, how many of us have this empathy? Many times, even if a boy can't speak well, stammering he is having, what the others will do? They will just, what they will do? Laugh at him. They will repeat the same words as he is repeating. He will be bullied. Now tell me, is it okay? Many times we laugh at the people for whatever they may lack, but it shouldn't be there. Because we too should think that if we would have in their place, what we would have done. This is empathy. And sympathy is important. Okay, I understand. We sympathize with so many others. But many times we lack empathy. So, what is important among us, that is the human beings, is that we should cultivate empathy, especially with our children as they are growing up. You are knowing, generally children don't understand when they are small. They laugh at the people who are having the deformities. It can be their friends, classmates, whoever. At that time, we should teach them. We should tell them in detail the things. And many of the things are not in our hands. So it is God's gift. God might have given him some things better than you all others. So these things we should teach them. And it is only when we are having empathy within us, we will understand the people well. So, let us consider even others, whatever deformities, let them have whatever lack in the things they may have. But see, nobody wants to be lame, nobody wants to be to have stammering or any deformities. Nobody likes to have. But because they have got it, for some reasons or the other, it is not their mistake. It is not their mistake. So we should understand those people. We should help them whatever we can. Yes, we should help them. And we should even teach our small kids to be empathetic with those people. If we are empathetic, definitely God will bless us. Have a good day.